Swooped up this parrotfish yesterday at a Korean store in the Sacramento area, so figured why not. I'm just gonna keep it simple and hit it with the fin and feather. Look at the beak, like seriously, pretty gnarly. They scaled it for me, so I'm just gonna season the whole thing and then just throw some lemon in it. Get it on the Traeger. Get some lemon in her, like so. Like so. We'll even get some on top. Why not? We'll get it all done up. Here we'll go like that. Yeah, we'll go like that. Leave it on there like that. All right, we'll see. Parrotfish.